Okay, let's do the 5¼ inch DVD drive first. So you open it by snapping like this, and it opens up. Okay, and then this should slide in to it. Make sure that you have the right top, and there's a lock mechanism. You'll see that here it says a open and close, so I will open it. Okay, haha. Then it will go in. Okay, and then I will lock it. This has to come out. It doesn't fit with it. Okay. Or actually, now if you align it carefully, you see there's a screw hole that lines up. You see the small one there and small one here. You got to align it perfectly, and then you got to make sure that these go in there. So we go in here, and go in here. That'll be open. Okay, there we go. Then you lock it. Oh, I got the wrong holes. I have to get the front ones. Okay, there we go. You see that lined up here and then here, and these two will go in. Okay, and then this would go here, and then lock. Okay, so we got that in.